Mama Liberia is getting better as the LRA makes it easy for you to pay your fair share of local revenues. This is Tax Talk. It's on LNTV every Monday and Friday at 8:30 p.m. in the evening. This is called the proof of concept, the latest technologically enhanced agreement entered into by the Liberia Revenue Authority, the LRA, along with LoneStar Cell MTN, Orange Liberia, and of course the banking platform to be provided by the United Bank of Africa (UBA) for the sole purpose of facilitating tax and trade in the country. This is called the proof of concept, the latest technologically enhanced agreement entered into by the Liberia Revenue Authority, the LRA, along with LoneStar Cell MTN, Orange Liberia, and of course the banking platform to be provided by the United Bank of Africa (UBA) for the sole purpose of facilitating tax and trade in the country.
This is in addition to what we already have going, whereby people are paying their taxes through the direct bank transfer. With the direct bank transfer, you sit right in your office, you sit right in your home or at the business premises and just instruct the commercial bank with which you are banking to transfer your taxes to the government of Liberia account. So you don't have to go anywhere, just sit somewhere and pay your taxes. So we try to make things as easy as much as possible to ensure that our people become more compliant in contributing their fair share to the revenue collection of our country.
Integrating technology into a financial management system is the latest development unfolding at the Liberia Revenue Authority. This is Tax Talk. It's on LNTV every Monday and Friday at 8:30 p.m. in the evening.
This is in addition to what we already have going, whereby people are paying their taxes through the direct bank transfer. With the direct bank transfer, you sit right in your office, you sit right in your home or at the business premises and just instruct the commercial bank with which you are banking to transfer your taxes to the government of Liberia account. So you don't have to go anywhere, just sit somewhere and pay your taxes. So we try to make things as easy as much as possible to ensure that our people become more compliant in contributing their fair share to the revenue collection of our country.
Integrating technology into a financial management system is the latest development unfolding at the Liberia Revenue Authority. This is Tax Talk. It's on LNTV every Monday and Friday at 8:30 p.m. in the evening.
Also like to say this is the office of the RG3 project, and so we say welcome also to our donor or partner office where we are doing this event today. It's a landmark for us, and we look forward to the actual implementation, and we believe that it will actually transform and reform our revenue collection and administration in Liberia. And so we say welcome to all of you. Thank you.
Amongst other things, by the application of aggressive and sustainable technology. In particular, we are working to facilitate domestic resource mobilization, and a key pillar under that endeavor is facilitating compliance, and that is making it easier for all categories of taxpayers to voluntarily comply. Recently, we signed an agreement with commercial banks for the payment of taxes through commercial banks. To date, over 1,000 tax payments have already been received through the new platform. Shortly, we will be rolling out to our customs business office at the Freeport the payment of taxes there through the commercial banks. Over the last few months, our technical team working with the telcos have designed a simple mobile payment architecture that we believe and they believe will work well in Liberia. Today, we are happy to sign a proof of payment pilot agreement with Orange and LoneStar. To date, over 1,000 tax payments have already been received through the new platform. Shortly, we will be rolling out to our customs business office at the Freeport the payment of taxes there through the commercial banks. Over the last few months, our technical team working with the telcos have designed a simple mobile payment architecture that we believe and they believe will work well in Liberia. Today, we are happy to sign a proof of payment pilot agreement with Orange and LoneStar, our two giants, to introduce mobile tax payments in Liberia. This is the first P2G that is private to government payments in Liberia. All tax payments and selected non-tax payments will be included during this pilot stage. This includes corporate income tax, personal income tax, 4% business income tax, GST, and excise tax. Additionally, others will include birth certificates, business registration renewal fees, fire safety inspection fee, marriage certificate, travel clearance, and others. The payment mode that we are introducing in the first phase will be used for small tax payments of up to $1,000 a day per taxpayer. Taxpayers will only have to enter few pieces of information, only 5 pieces of information, like your tax identification number, the tax period you are paying for, the tax type, the payment amount, and the currency. Simple information. After that, after the inputs of those information, you will receive, the taxpayer will receive an automatic or confirmation of the transaction. Telecom partners will, under the arrangement, report regularly to LRA and remit the funds daily. Associated commercial banks will transfer the required amounts from telco's account to a transitory revenue account and remit the funds to the central bank. LRA will then in turn reconcile the tax payments. Our future. Our telecom partners are very much committed to providing a web-based service that will allow LRA taxpayers to check and confirm the payments. They are also willing to collaborate with the LRA in its future endeavors in facilitating voluntary compliance. We would like to thank our telecom and commercial bank partners for the current and future teamwork. Telecom partners are fully committed to making sure that the first mobile tax payments are launched by November. We thank USAID RG3 project and specifically the taxpayers of the United States of America for their continued support to the LRA through the USAID project and by designing many solutions that can facilitate our business processes and a new reconciliation approach which has been introduced by RG3. Again, thanks to the taxpayers of America for investing in the LRA in Liberia and its domestic resource mobilization efforts.
Pay your taxes for me country business people. Pay your taxes also around of business
Mama Liberia is getting better as the LRA makes it easy for you to pay your fair share of local revenues. This is Tax Talk. It's on LNTV every Monday and Friday at 8:30 p.m. in the evening. This is called the proof of concept, the latest technologically enhanced agreement entered into by the Liberia Revenue Authority, the LRA, along with LoneStar Cell MTN, Orange Liberia, and of course the banking platform to be provided by the United Bank of Africa, UBA, for the sole purpose of facilitating tax and trade in the country.
Again, thanks to the taxpayers of America for investing in the LRA in Liberia and its domestic resource mobilization efforts. Thank you. We close by saying, nation building together with taxes. Thank you. Thank you.
Financial services in this country. And the results we've got from around this country is impressive. From Cape Mount to Maryland on the coastal line, and from Lofa to the highlands to River G. The people are excited, they're happy, and the results we know will be more than what we expect. In any case, we would like to work along with our partners in this process, especially the government of Liberia, doing its best to ensuring that tax paying is an obligation of every citizen in this country. Every institution, every business will ensure that taxes are paid and paid on time. We'll continue our effort, we'll do the best we can. There are challenges along the way, but those will be done in the best interest of our own people. We thank you for this signing ceremony and we hope going forward our partnership with the banks and our other friend of Circle will continue to foster our relationship. Well, thank you for being part of this process. I'm happy to be here today. Thank you very much.
Thank you. We will ask Mr. Coulibaly to
part of that project. It's a significant majesty. It's a significant project for us in Orange Liberia. As you know, we are deploying a huge investment. We are putting huge investment to promote our people. Deploying a huge investment. We are putting huge investment to promote our people. In 1 year, we deploy more than 100 sites to connect all of Liberian people, and we are deploying also the data. For us, our investment in Liberia, one of our main key pillar is mobile money. And we can success in mobile money penetration without a strong partnership of the authorities. And we are very glad to to join this partnership, to sign this proof of concept agreement today with LRA to improve the tax asset. As you know, in our country, many of our activity is not formal. Mobile money tool and the telecommunication company has, a tool for tax collection. Really, we are here to pay our tax. We are here to help you to collect all of the tax for the strong government, for the strong to help for the benefit of our population. So we are very happy to be in that project, and we will do our best for the success of this year's proof of concept. And as you know also, we are among of top 10 telecom mobile money operator worldwide. As I mentioned, that was 10 years ago. So we will put all our experiences, all our skills to make a very successful this proof of concept. Thank you again.
The next on the agenda, few months.
We have capacity to even do more than that. Today we do web collection for the government of Liberia for passport for anybody in diaspora. We are the one running the platform. We are the only bank also in Liberia today that is issuing LRA card, Liberty cards, and also ATM that dispense local currency. So for this partnership is something that ties with our objective to actually bring banking inclusion and provide efficiency in the system. So this partnership is something that we cherish, and we believe, like you said, so many other things to be done. We have not even started yet. There are so many things that can still be done using technology to facilitate payment. So I'm giving you the assurance, and the assurance is that we will commit ourselves to this MOU and the agreement. All the SLAs that is there will keep to it, ensuring that we will meet as and when due and provide you with a platform that you can access transparency in the collections that we are doing. So thank you so much.
Thank you. Financial sector participants and partners, very much appreciate your engagement. I'm Jeremy Meadows with the Democracy and Governance Office for USAID Liberia, and I'm particularly excited about this morning because it's actually the merging, the convergence of two lines of effort that our office has been supporting for a number of years. USAID's Democracy and Governance Office, in the context of civil service reform, helped to initiate some of the first government-to-private payments and facilitated that proof of concept. And now we get to take part in the P2G, the reversal of that. All of that hopefully setting the stage for P2P at some point in the future, so that there is enhanced transparency and accountability and flexibility in all aspects of the financial systems and finances and public financial management of Liberia. So this is very exciting. I appreciate the opportunity, and I want to applaud you for launching this effort. The revenue generation for governance and growth activity, while intended to mobilize domestic resources, it's also intended to reinforce the social contract, trying to increase the ways in which Liberians are connected to their government, the way that Liberians own their government, invest in their government, contribute to their government. And this is going to be one of the most significant ways, I think, that will broaden that capacity, will facilitate and enhance that linkage. So I'm very excited about this. I appreciate all of the effort that's gone into bringing us to this stage for the proof of concept, and I look forward to success stories over the course of the year to come. Thank you.
Thank you. Business people, pay your taxes.
former Liberia is getting better as the LRA makes it easy for you to pay your fair share of lawful revenues. This is Tax Talk. It's on LNTV every Monday and Friday at 8:30 p.m. in the evening.